Hello everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can access ChatGPT when ChatGPT is at capacity right now. So it's pretty simple and straightforward as you can see. It's kind of annoying that they give you this reminder and you are not able to access the ChatGPT itself, and it's in high at capacity right now. So in this video is perfectly if you need help, then this video is perfectly for you. So let's begin. So in order for you to get rid of this, I want you to refresh, and it will automatically change from at high capacity to this page. So uh it was pretty easy, it was straightforward, like I did that like in a like with a snap. And now you are able to access ChatGPT, and you can just need to go and log in, and then you can log in with Google, and there you go. ChatGPT has worked again. And if we type what for if if you want to type what is life, for example, and it works. So basically that's how you get rid of the ChatGPT that is high capacity right now. Hope this video helps, and please don't forget to share this with your friends, and I'll see you when I see you.